So the first step is to simply close CapCut, and then what we're gonna have to do is simply open App Store or Google Play Store, and then we're gonna have to tap on our profile picture in the top right corner. Then we're gonna have to tap on our account name at the top. So this is the same process on Android phones too. It's pretty similar, but as you can see, I'm doing it on an Apple device. Now, as you can see here, we have subscriptions. So simply tap on that and you should see at the top saying active, and then you should have CapCut. Now, as you can see, I already canceled my CapCut membership, but you're gonna have to simply tap on it, and at the bottom, instead of renewal, you're gonna see a cancel button. So simply tap on that button, and basically that's all you have to do in order to cancel your CapCut app subscription. As I said earlier, is the same on Google Play Store. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.